explain how the marching band is able to play with their masks on and the covering on their horns?
Definitely. So it's certainly a challenge. There's been a lot of planning and preparation that's gone into place in terms of exactly what we're going to do. So essentially what they have is they have two masks. They have a regular mask that they wear, or covering that they wear when we're not playing. And then they have another covering that, for all intents and purposes, has a hole right in the sort of center of it that's just big enough to fit their individual mouthpiece.
What is it like playing with your mask on, and do you have any difficulties doing that?
Yeah, occasionally it gets kind of difficult to find the hole right away, but you kind of get used to it other than that. Also with a reed, sometimes the mask can kind of hit the reed and cause a little fuzziness in the sound. Other than that, though, I haven't had any issues.
It really isn't much different. I'll show you guys. I had to cut a hole in it. And the only difference is, like, when you go to breathe, it kind of like gets sucked into your mouthpiece and stuck inside. So I had to adjust to that, but other than that, it's not difficult at all.
And so we're teaming up sort of with local groups in the community, whether it be Wood County Hospital, the city schools, things of that nature, and sort of ingraining ourselves in the community outside of campus. We're also going to be doing some live stream performances. And then you're definitely going to see a lot more of kind of the small pep band oriented things around campus. During move-in, we went out and played and sort of entertained in a safe, socially distanced manner. And we'll certainly be continuing with those things throughout the semester on campus.